Hello friends, myself Dr. V.N. Deshmukh, Associate Professor at Sudhakar Naik Institute of Pharmacy, Pusad. Friends, today we will study Google. Google, it is a secondary metabolites which is obtained from the plant source. These are the unorganized drug. Google belong to category of oleo gum resin, that is it is a mixture of the volatile oil, gum and resin. It is obtained by giving a injury to the basal part of the trunk of the tree, so that the Google will ooze out in the form of the tears. So Google, it is a popular from ancient time as an anti-inflammatory and anti-rheumatic drug from the Ayurveda. So the synonym for the Google, it is called as the scented bedlium or gum Google. Biological source, Google, it is the oleo gum resin. As we have already discussed, oleo means volatile oil, gum and resin. So it is a mixture of the volatile oil, gum and resin obtained by making a deep incisions at the basal part of the stem bark of Commiphora veti. Another variety is also of Google. It is a Commiphora mucul, Commiphora veti and Commiphora mucul belonging to family Burseraceae. So the biological source of Google, it is a oleo gum resin obtained by making a deep incisions at the basal part of the stem bark of Commiphora veti, Commiphora mucul belonging to family Burseraceae. Geographical source, Google plant, it is a native of Africa, especially in its arid zones like Ethiopia, Somalia, Kenya, Zaire and Zimbabwe. In India, it is cultivated in Rajasthan, Ajmer and Jaisalmer district, and also it is cultivated in Gujarat. So the synonym is scented bedlium or gum Google. Biological source, Google, it is a oleo gum resin obtained by making a deep incisions at the basal part of the stems bark of Commiphora veti, Commiphora mucul belonging to family Burseraceae. Description: color is brown to pale yellow as shown in the picture. Odor is agreeable and aromatic. Taste is characteristic and bitter in taste. So the odor is agreeable and aromatic because of the presence of volatile oil. It is aromatic. Taste is characteristic and bitter. Size, the lumps or the tears or agglomerate of the tears, they are in the size of 0.5 to 1 by 2.5 centimeter in diameter. Shape is rounded or irregular as it is the unorganized drug. The tears, when the injury is done at the trunk of the tree, the tears will come and they become solidify and they forms the agglomerates. So rounded or irregular masses or agglomerated tears. Tears are somewhat transparent with waxy surface. The tears, it is transparent, they are somewhat transparent or we can call them as an translucent with waxy surface because of the presence of the gums and brittle in nature. Google is a gummy to touch and the tears are normally with fracture surface. That is, from the top it is gummy to touch because of the presence of the gums also, and they are normally with fractured surface. Solubility, when triturated with water it forms a white emulsion. When it is triturated, it is insoluble in water, but when it is triturated with water it forms the emulsion with water and it forms the white color. It is partly soluble in alcohol and also it is partly soluble in alcohol. Chemical constituents, it contains steroids, diterpenoids, carbohydrates and aliphatic esters. The purified gum gives pentosan, pentose and furfural. The purified gum which is present, it gives a pentosan, pentose and furfural. Steam distillation of Google gives a pale yellow volatile oil as it is the combination of the volatile oil, gum and resin. When the steam distillation is performed, the volatile oil is separated And the chemical constituents of the volatile oils, they are the terpenes, mycelium and caryophyllene. It contains the terpenes, volatile oil contain the terpenes, mycelium and caryophyllene. Guggul contains Z-guggulostirone and E-guggulostirone, and three new steroids. They are the guggulosterol 1, 2 and 3, due to presence of this guggulosterone, the guggul, it is nowadays very much popular for its anti-hyperlipidemic activity or anti-cholestemic activity. So the guggul contains Z-guggulostirone and E-guggulostirone and three new steroids, that is the guggulosterol 1, 2 and 3. So the guggul contains steroids, diterpenoids, carbohydrates and aliphatic esters. Purified gums gives a pentose and furfural. Steam distillation of guggul gives a volatile oil, and the chemical constituents of the volatile oil, they are the terpenes, mycelium and caryophyllene. And recently the Z-guggulostirone and E-guggulostirone, they are obtained, and along with this the three new sterols, namely the guggulosterone 1, 2 and 3 has been identified. Chemical test for the guggul: ethyl acetate extract of the guggul is taken to it treated with acetic anhydride, boil it, cool it. After cooling, add 2 ml of the sulfuric acid. Green color develops at the junction which indicate the presence of sterols. So in the chemical test, you have to take the ethyl acetate extract of the guggul, to it added acetic anhydride, boil it, cool it, to it add 2 ml of sulfuric acid. Green color develops at the junction which will indicate the presence of sterols. Uses: as per as the Ayurveda, it is popular as an anti-inflammatory and anti-rheumatic agent. It is used as an anti-rheumatic and anti-inflammatory agent. It is also used because of the presence of the guggulosterone E, guggulosterone Z and guggulosterone 1, 2 and 3, hypolipidemic and hypocholestemic drug. So it is used as an anti-inflammatory, anti-rheumatic, hypolipidemic, hypocholestemic. It is guggulipid developed from Commiphora mucul. As already we have studied that two varieties of the guggul are there. One is the Commiphora vetti and another one, that is the Commiphora mucul. So the guggul developed from Commiphora mucul is an anti-hyperlipidemic product. It is an anti-hyperlipidemic product, the guggul, which is obtained from the Commiphora mucul. So it is guggul. It is used as an anti-inflammatory, anti-rheumatic, hypolipidemic and hypocholestemic drug. Guggulipid developed from the Commiphora mucul is an anti-hyperlipidemic product. So this is all about the guggul. The synonym is the scented bedlium, or it is also called as the gum guggul. It is the oleogum resin obtained by making a deep incisions at the basal part of the stem bark of Commiphora vetti, Commiphora mucul, belonging to family Burseraceae. Chemical constituent: it contains steroids, diterpenoids, aliphatic esters, Z-guggulostirone, E-guggulostirone and three new steroids, that is the guggulosterone 1, 2 and 3. So this is all about the guggul. Thank you very much.